Good evening, students. No. Good evening, students. Guys, will able to hear me? Students, will able to hear me? Guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I will share the screen. Anyone can brief what we are discussing in last session. We are discussing the basics of the ellipse, different parts, and we've done some numericals also. Just brief anyone. What are the major things we have to remember from the concept of ellipse? What is the definition of ellipse? I will share the screen. Anyone? Students, please. The screen is in front of you. Please explain from the screen. I will scroll up and down if you want. And what are the things you have to keep it in mind from the ellipse point of view? Students, please respond. Raghav, can you please?
Sir, an ellipse is a locus of points from two fixed points, which are known as the focus.
The sum of the distances from a point to fixed points is always constant. P
Yes, sir.
to F1 plus P to F2 is always constant. The P might be varying from anywhere to anywhere. If I am joining all those points, the diagram what I am getting is called ellipse. So we are having standard ellipse. We will discuss only if the axis is the x-axis, minor axis is the y-axis, center is the origin. Those kind of ellipses only we are discussing. We are not going to discuss if the center is somewhere in the plane and axis is different. So what are the major part of the ellipse? From here, can able to explain anyone? Raghav, please continue. Major axis, minor axis, vertex, latus rectum to focus, that is called foci, center of the ellipse. The distance from the two vertices on major axis is known as length of the major axis. CD is known as length of the minor axis. The distance from center to focus is called focal length, which is nothing but C. Generally, CD is 2B and AB is 2A. So from here, we can discuss the eccentricity, which will give the ratio of C by A. The relation between length of the semi-major axis, minor axis, and focal length is A square is equal to B square plus C square. This all the proofs we already saw in the last session. These are the two different ellipses. If A is greater than B and B is, x square by A square plus y square by B square. If A is greater than B, which will give the x-axis is major axis, y-axis is minor axis. The second diagram explains x-axis is minor axis, y-axis is major axis, x square by B square plus y square by A square, where B is less than A. Both are same. That's the reason only the points will be different. Here, OA 0 comma A 0 comma minus A will come on y-axis. A comma 0 minus A comma 0 will come on x-axis. Based on the values available in the denominators of x square and y square. I think we already done a few numericals. How many numericals we completed, students? Length of the latus rectum also we done. Latus rectum is definition is it's a line segment passing through focus and perpendicular to the major axis. How to calculate the length of the latus rectum? The length of the latus rectum is, what is the formula for length of the latus rectum, students? B square by A. That means square of the semi-minor axis by major axis, semi-major axis. How many numericals we completed, students? 1, 2, 3, or only 1 and 2?
Sir, I think only 1 and 2.
Yeah, we'll start from 3. We'll focus more on numericals. I already told you the scope is only they will ask us to calculate certain parameters related to ellipse. Even for essay questions also they will ask the same. On no on duty duty Hope you are clear. Please try to do the third question. You have to calculate the focus, foci, vertices, length of the major axis, minor axis, eccentricity, and length of the lattice rectum. Guys, anyone solve the question? Question number 3. Try to depict the diagram related to this question. X square by 16 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1. It looks like this. The ellipse will look like this. So it will be easy to understand what is the vertices and all. This is focus, F1. This is F2. And AB, CD. And PQ is the lattice rectum. So what is the foci? Plus or minus a comma 0. A is equal to 4, B is equal to 3. So I can say plus or minus 4 comma 0 is, no, sorry guys. Vertices plus or minus a comma 0, which is equal to plus or minus 4 comma 0. This is C. This distance is C. Plus or minus C comma 0 is the focus. How to calculate the C value? What is the relation between ABC, students?
Sir, root over a square minus b square.
Root over a square minus b square. So what is the answer here? What is the answer?
Root 7, I think, sir.
So plus or minus root 7 comma 0. Length of the major axis. Length of major axis. 2a is equal to 8. Length of minor axis. Semi means half. That is equal to AB here. This will be CD. Minor axis. 2b, which is equal to 6. And eccentricity. What is eccentricity formula here? What is eccentricity, students?
Sir, root 7 by 4.
C by A, root 7 by 4. Length of the lattice rectum, B square by A. So 9 by 4. Anything? They're asking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They can extend a little, find the equation of the lattice rectum, find the equation of the major axis, minor axis, and they may ask you to find the equation of straight line passing through the focus and parallel to some other line, like that kind of questions, little bit extended version. But that questions I never saw in exam point of view, might be entrance point of view, they may ask. With the help of the same thing, can able to do the fourth question? Students, expecting all are should practice. I'm giving the time. Do the fourth question. Fourth question is looking like same formulas. By drawing the diagram, you can able to understand x square by 25 plus y square by 100 is equal to 1. So this is looking at x square by b square plus y square by a square is equal to 1. A is equal to 10, b is equal to 5. Now the ellipse is like this because b square is under the denominator of x square and a square is under the denominator of y square. So this is CD, this is your focus. So C is equal same as root of a square minus b square, which is 100 minus 25, 5 root 3, 75. Root 75 is 5 root 3. So ABC values you are having. So vertices 0 comma plus or minus a, which is 0 comma plus or minus 10. Foci 0 comma plus or minus c, which is nothing but 0 comma plus or minus 5 root 3. Next one is length of the major axis. (2a), which is nothing but 100, not 100, 20. Length of the minor axis. 2b, 2 into 5, 10. Length of the lattice rectum, b square by a, 25 by 10. So 5 by 2. Minor axis length, major axis length, eccentricity, c by a, where c is 5 root 3, a is 10. So root 3 by 2. Is it clear? Any doubts? Students?
No, sir.
Yeah. Anyone who is going to explain the fifth question? With the help of the previous questions, who is going to explain the fifth question? X square by 49 plus y square by 36 is equal to 1. This can be written as x square by 7 square plus y square by 6 square is equal to 1. So the ellipse is like this. A, B, C, D. F1, F2. So A is equal to 7, B is equal to 6, C is equal to 49 minus 36. How much? Root 15. Yeah, proceed. And I'm giving few minutes time. Please let me know what is the answer.
ఇటనా సరే ఉంటాను మళ్ళీ పని మీద ఉన్నాను సరే నేను రావట్లే మీటింగ్ రమ్మంటావా?
Anyone can give the answers for this? OC, what? Vertices, length of the major axis, length of the minor axis, eccentricity, length of the lattice rectum. Who is going to give the answers? Kirtana, Harshida, anyone? Raghav? Please, anyone can give the answers? Guys, please respond.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please. What is the focus? Guys, please give the answers for
Sir, 5/2.
focus is how much?
Plus or minus 5/2.
Plus or minus 7,0, no? Sorry. Plus or minus how much? Root 15,0. Correct? Guys, please respond.
కింద బాగుంటుంది.
9 minus 6, 3. 49, 36. How much? What is the answer? 40 minus 36, 4 plus 9, 13. Root 13, this is. Plus or minus root 13,0. Which is right answer? Students, please respond. Is the right focus?
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir. It was root 13 only.
This is
Plus or minus root 13.
Plus or minus 7,0. This is 14. This is 12. This is 7 by root 13. And this is 36 by 7. Just
Sir,
basic.
E should be root 13 upon 7, right?
E is C by A, correct. LLR is B square by A. This is C by A. Root 13 by 7 must be less than 1, correct. Next, same kind. Please respond for this question. Some other different. Sixth one, x square by 10 square plus y square by 20 square is equal to 1. It's look like x square by b square plus y square by a square is equal to 1. So if I'm comparing, the parabola is like, sorry, ellipse is like this. A, B, C, D. Now focus is on y-axis. F1, F2. So I will write the formulas. First one is 4C is 0, plus or minus A. Vertices plus or minus C. So C is equal to root of A square minus B square. Vertices plus or minus 0, plus or minus A. AB is equal to 2A, CD is equal to 2B, E is equal to C by A, length of the lattice rectum is equal to B square by A. Please, I give the formulas also, and B refers this one, A refers this one. Please let me know what are the answers. Any different student I am expecting.
B is equal to 10.
Yeah. A is equal to 10, B is equal to 10,
A is equal to 20.
so this is 400 minus 100. This is 10 root 3. From here 0 comma plus or minus 10 root 3. 0 comma plus or minus 20. 2A, that is where A is equal to 20, so 40, this is 20. 10 root 3 by 20, that is root 3 by 2 is eccentricity. B square is 100, A is 10, which will be, sorry, A is 20, 5.
Sir, length of lattice rectum is 2B square by 8.
B square by A, then all the numericals we are doing wrong then. This is 2 into 10 by 20, 2 10 times, so 10 is this one. The previous question also multiplied with 2, 72 by 7. And the previous question also we have to multiply it with 2, 2B square, 2 into, so this is 2 5 times, so answer is 5. Yeah, please keep it in mind.
Sir, can you show the previous problem?
This one,
Yes, sir. The last one.
yeah, please. 6 came, 6 parameters came, anything we missed? Yeah, 6 came.
Okay, sir.
Seventh question, so it is not in the standard form, just converting into standard form is only the difference between the previous questions and this one. 36x square plus 4y square is equal to 144. Divide both sides with 144. So this is 36x square by 144 plus y square, 4y square by 144 is equal to 1. 12 3s, 12 times. 4 3s, 6. 36 4 times. So 3 4 times. So x square by 4 plus y square by 36 is equal to 1. So which is x square by 2 square plus y square by 6 square is equal to 1. Is it clear? Am I right? It is like this. CD, AB, F2, F1. So foci is, you know, what is the formula? Now you yourself, you write the formula and let me know. What it says? AB value, length of the major axis, CD value, length of the minor axis, eccentricity, length of the lattice rectum. Again, I am writing because 2B square by A. Last 2 sessions we done wrong. What is the answers? I'm expecting answers from you people. First one is B is equal to 2, A is equal to 6, C is equal to 36 minus 4, root 32. 4 root 2. Please solve all 6 parameters and let me know what is the answer.
Major axis is 12, minor axis is 4,
That is very simple.
eccentricity is 2 root 2 by 3.
2 root 2 by 3. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
How 2 root 2? Yeah, C by A. So 4 root 2 by 6.
4 root 2 by 6.
4 side 0 comma plus or minus
4 root
4.
2.
Vertices
0 comma plus or minus
6. Length of the lattice rectum 2 into 4 by 6. 4 by 3. This is how we can solve this question. I can move to the next one. Students, please respond. If you're done, let me know. I will move to the next one.
Yes, sir.
Sixteen x square plus y square is equal to 16. Divide both sides with 16. So 16x square by 16 plus y square by 16 is equal to 1. So x square by 1 plus y square by 16 is equal to 1. So can be written as x square by 1 square plus y square by 4 square is equal to 1. So here also it is looking like this is the way it looks like A, B, C, D. So A is equal to 4, B is equal to 1, C is equal to 16 minus 1 is root 15. So foci is what? Vertices AB is CD and eccentricity length of the lattice rectum. Calculate and let me know what is your answers.
Sir, focus is 0 comma plus or minus 215.
Plus or minus root 15. Next.
What is this is 0 comma plus or minus 4.
0 comma plus or minus 4.
LLR is 1 by 2.
LLR is 1 by 2. 2b square by A. 2 into 1 by 4. So 1 by 2, correct. Eccentricity is
And eccentricity is root 15 by 4.
root 15 by
2, sir, sorry. Or no, 4 only, 4 only.
yes, it is less than 1. It should be less than 1. So AB is equal to 8, CD is equal to 2. Correct? 2A, 2B. Done. I can move to the next one. Guys, can move to the next one.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Solve the question by your own. Next one. Just I will write the question here. Just you have to solve the question by your own. First, let me know what is the standard form of the ellipse equation, how it looks. How it looks in the sense, orally you can say which is major axis, which axis is the minor axis.
Sir, x-axis is major axis.
What is standard form of the ellipse equation here? After all deductions, divide both sides with 36. This will be x square by 9 plus y square by 4 is equal to 1. Can be written as x square by 3 square plus y square by 2 square is equal to 1. So the first one is OC, vertices. Third one is AB value. Fourth one is CD value. I mean, in the case, length of the major axis, don't confuse. Length of the minor axis. Fifth one is eccentricity. Sixth one is length of the lattice rectum. Yes. Let me know what are the answers. Never mind. Guys, expecting answer from someone.
Sir, focus is plus or minus root 5 comma 0.
It's an x-axis plus or minus root 5 comma 0. Next,
Vertex is plus or minus 3 comma 0.
next,
Major axis is 6.
Hmm.
Minor axis 4. E is root 5 upon 3.
Next, eight by 3. Length of the
Sir,
lattice.
8 upon 3.
Yeah. See, exam point of view, these questions are, they may ask, frame the equation of the ellipse for the given data. That is our next. That is only the scope of syllabus. How you will deal this question? First of all, by seeing this data, you have to understand how the ellipse looks. Framing the equation of the ellipse from the given data. So they gave vertices. Vertices is plus or minus a comma 0 and foci is plus or minus c comma 0. It looks like this. So the ellipse is like this. So x square by a square plus y square by b square is the equation of the ellipse, where a is equal to 5, b is equal to I don't know, and c is equal to 4. What is the relation between a, b, c? A square is equal to b square plus c square. So ultimate goal is, if you are able to calculate a square and b square value, that job is done. B square is equal to a square minus c square, that is 25 square minus 4 square, which is nothing but 16. Not 25 square. 25 minus 16, which is 9. This is 5 square minus 4 square. So B is equal to 3. So equation of ellipse with the given data is x square by 5 plus 25 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1. Is it clear? Is it clear, students? Framing the equation is
Yes,
little.
sir.
Yeah. Next question. 11th one. ఎవరండమ్మా? Vertices 0 comma plus or minus 13, 0 comma plus or minus a. OC 0 comma plus or minus 5. That is 0 comma plus or minus c. అట్లా అడుకోమన్న పిల్లల్ని. A is equal to 13, C is equal to 5. From here B is equal to root of a square minus c square, 169 minus 25, root 144, which is nothing but to 12. So B is equal to 12. So with this data, I can say the ellipse is like this. So x square by b square plus y square by a square is equal to 1 is the ellipse. So x square by 12 square plus y square by 13 square is equal to 1. So the final equation of the ellipse is x square by 144 plus y square by 169 is equal to 1. Is it clear? Students, are you clear? A simple line diagram you draw which representing the vertices and all, it will be easy. With minimum steps you can able to get the full marks. Shall I go for next question?
Yes,
Right.
sir.
Yeah. 12th one. Vertices plus or minus 6 comma 0, that is plus or minus a comma 0, 4c, plus or minus 4 comma 0, that is plus or minus c comma 0. So a is equal to 6, c is equal to 4. So b square, straight away I am writing 36 minus 16, which is equal to 20. So with this data, the ellipse is looking like this. Because the vertices and foci on x-axis, so x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. From here, x square by 36 plus y square by 20 is equal to 1 is the equation of the ellipse which is having the vertices and given foci. Is it clear, students? Okay. next question? Students, I can move to the next one.
Yes, sir.
They gave the ends of the major axis, A, B vertices, that is plus or minus 3, 0. Suppose if I am taking ends of the major axis is on x-axis, this is minus 3, 0, 3, 0, 0, 2, 0, minus 2. It clearly says x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1, where a is equal to 3, b is equal to 2. So x square by 9 plus y square by 4 is equal to 1 is the equation of the ellipse. This is very simpler than the previous one. Is it clear? Shall we move to the next one? Students, please respond. Are you clear with the question number 13 and 12?
Yes, sir.
See, if we practice, we can see, we can give the answers just straight away by seeing the question. So more scope is for MCQs, this kind. If it is essay marks, essay questions, they 1 to 9 questions is like 6 marks and 4 marks and all. Yeah. Anyone can give the answer for the question number 14? They gave the ends of the major axis, ends of the minor axis. So that means what is the answer? This is 0, plus or minus a and plus or minus b, 0. So your minor axis is x-axis. Question number 14. Your major axis is y-axis. So from here I can say x square by b square plus y square by a square is equal to 1 is the answer. So your b is equal to what? 1. A is equal to root 5. So the answer is x square by 1 plus y square by 5 is equal to 1. Is it clear? 15th question, please try by your own. 15th question is a little different. They gave the 2a is equal to 26. From here, a is equal to 13. Focus is on x-axis. If the focus is on x-axis, x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. And c is equal to 5. So find b value with the help of root of a square minus c square, or b square is equal to a square minus c square, and give the equation of x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. I need the answer. Anyone, please. Anyone can give the answer.
So x square upon 169 plus y square upon 144 equals 1.
X square upon 169 plus y square upon 144 is equal to 1 is the answer. Same as what is the question number 16th answer? Question number 16. Question number 16. Question number 16, they gave the length of the minor axis. 2b is equal to 16. So b is equal to 8. B square is equal to 64. focus foci is equal to 0 plus or minus 6. That is C is equal to 6. C square is equal to 36. So A square is equal to B square plus C square. 64 plus 36, which is equal to 100. So focus is on y-axis. Foci is on y-axis. So equation is x square by b square plus y square by a square is equal to 1. So x square by b square is how much? 64 plus y square by 100 is equal to 1. Simply we can write the equation of the ellipses from the given data. So only the thing is analysis of the given data is very much important here. Shall we move to the next one? Students, you can move to the next one.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, how to do the 17th question? They give the foci, which is looking like plus or minus c comma 0, which is on x-axis. So foci is on x-axis. If foci is on x-axis, x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. And a is equal to 4. So b is equal to root of a square minus c square. A square is how much? 16 minus c square is 9. How much? 16 minus 9 is root 7. So b square is equal to 7. If foci is an x-axis, x square by a square. So the equation is x square by a square is 16 plus y square by 7 is equal to 1. Is it right? Anyone having any doubt? Students, anyone having any doubt? Can go to the next one. Guys, please let me know. Can move to the next question.
Yes, sir.
Question number 18. B is equal to 3, C is equal to 4. From here, A is equal to root of B square minus B square plus C square. Or A square is equal to B square plus C square. 9 plus 16, 25. Center is at the origin. Focus is on x-axis. So the equation of ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. From these two data only I can decide like this. So x square by 25 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1 is the equation of ellipse for this data. Move to the next question, or we'll meet in next class.
We will finish.
You finish it off. Next class we will start hyperbola. This is a little different than previous numericals. Same way, data is different. They gave center is 0, 0, major axis is y-axis and passes through the points. So major axis is y-axis means x square by b square plus y square by a square is equal to 1. And the ellipse is passing through 3, 2 and 1, 6. How to do this question? Substitute the points. If I am substituting first point, 9 by b square plus 4 by a square is equal to 1 is the first equation. If I am substituting the second point, 1 by b square plus 36 by a square is equal to 1 is the second point. So I am assuming a square is equal to capital Y, b square is equal to capital X. 1 by a square is equal to capital Y, 1 by b square is equal to capital X. I will get to linear equation 9x plus 4y is equal to 1, x plus 36y is equal to 1. Solve these two equations and let me know what is the 1 by a square and 1 by b square values. So once you got the 1 by a square, 1 by b square values, your job is done. I am multiplying this one with 9, sorry, this one with 1 and this one with 9. So what I will get? 9x plus 4y is equal to 1. 9x, 36 into 9. How much? What is the value of 36 into 9? Students, 36 into 9. 81 into 4. 324. 324 is y is equal to 9. If I am subtracting, this is minus 320y is equal to minus 8. From here, y is equals minus 8 by minus 320. Cancel 320 by 8. So y is equal to 40, which is known as 1 by 40, which is nothing but 1 by b square. From this, if I am getting y is equal to 1 by 40, I can substitute in any equation x plus 36 into 1 by 40 is equal to 1. So what is the x value? X is equals minus 36 by 40, which is wrong. 1 minus 36 by 40, which is 4 by 40, 1 by 10. So my x is equal to 1 by 10, y is equal to 1 by 40, which is nothing but 1 by b square. No, sorry guys. Y is equal to 1 by a square, x is equal to 1 by b square. So what is the equation of the ellipse from here? X square by 10 plus y square by 40 is equal to 1. Will you agree, students? Is the right equation or not? Guys, please check yourself, practice yourself and let me know whether this answer is right or wrong. Students, please respond. We'll wind up with one more question. Is it right answer? Guys, yes or no? Are you clear or any doubt? No response from anyone? What happened?
No response.
Yeah, The last question. Major axis on x-axis, minor axis passes through the points. Same question. So much different, but he said major axis is on x-axis. If major axis is on x-axis, what is the equation of the ellipse looks like? If major axis is on x-axis, how the ellipse equation looks like, students? How it looks? From major axis is on x-axis. With this clue, the equation of ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. And the ellipse is passing through 4, 3. So first equation is 16 by a square plus 9 by b square is equal to 1. First equation. Second equation is 36 by a square plus 4 by b square is equal to 1 is my second equation. If I'm taking a square is equal to capital X, or instead of that I can take p comma q. 1 by a square is equal to p, 1 by b square is equal to q. 16p plus 9q is equal to 1. This is 36p plus 4q is equal to 1. I'm multiplying this one with 4, this one with 9. 64p, 36q is equal to 4. 36 into 9. 324p plus 36q is equal to 9. Minus, minus, minus. This is 0q is equal to minus 5. This is minus 260 p. So p is equal to minus 5 by minus 260. How much? What is the value? P value, how much you are getting? Plus 5 5s by 2s, 1 by 52, which is equal to 1 by a square. So if I am using the p value in any one equation, 16 into 1 by 52 plus 9q is equal to 1. So 9q is equal to 1 minus 16 by 52. 52 minus 16 by 52. So 52 minus 16, 36. So 9q is equal to 36 by 52, 4, 13. So q is equal to 1 by 13, which is nothing but 1 by b square. So equation of the ellipse is x square by 52 plus y square by 13 is equal to 1. Hope you are clear how I solve this equation. You have to remember your grade 10 concept. Pair of linear equations in 2 variables. Indirect format, you have to understand how to solve. Then it will be easy for us. Hope you are clear. Is it clear? Anyone having any doubts? Shall I wind up the session, friends? Yeah. Yeah, we'll meet in tomorrow class. We'll start hyperbola. Let's see how much we can able to finish by tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Bye, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, do you have any idea for how long it will be, like 7 to 8 class for month?
Monday, you are saying might be next this month alone. This month alone means I will try to change next week itself.
Okay, sir. If possible, yes, sir. Thanks a lot, sir.
Because now it moved to online now.
Yes,
Monday alone, I am having school up to 5:30. That is also changed only this month.
okay, okay, sir.
So I am not yet received my new timetable.
Okay, sir.
But I don't think so. Online classes, they will extend up to 5 o'clock for me, because I have to travel from Mylapore to almost Pallavaram. After that only I can take this class
Okay, sir.
when it is in physical session. That's the reason all of things suddenly in Monday it is changed. So I will request Raghava sir, Monday onwards, few students, you also put your request on your side.
Okay.
I will also say, sir, Monday onwards we can have 5 to 6 as usual timing. I will mention.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thanks a lot, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bye.